Springtime means green trees and growing plants, but many of us aren't aware of the abundance of edible plants in the wild. I had a chance to get some insight on food foraging with the Omni Grove Park Inn in Asheville.
Well, there's a great saying that there are old foragers and there's bold foragers, but there's no old, bold foragers.
It takes some courage to head out into the wild and find plants that are not only safe, but healthy to eat. Christian Marr with No Taste Like Home leads groups around the Omni Grove Park Inn to do just that. And during spring, there's no shortage of choices.
Flowers and spring greens, that's something I'm focusing on right now this time of year, harvesting bulk of. And there's certain greens and flowers that are out right now in these kind of cooler temperatures that aren't going to be out in the summer. So I like to take advantage of them now.
In our yards, dandelions aren't really welcome, but in the wild, you can eat both the leaf and the flower.
Favorite ways to deal with the bitterness of dandelion is put it in pesto. My favorite thing to do with the flowers when they're like a beautiful open flower head is to make flower fritters.
Yum.
Everything is good fried, but you can just make whatever batter that is your favorite batter recipe, dip the flowers in there and then fry it up in the pan, and it's like this beautiful little flower pancake donut situation.
On our walk, we also found some other notable edible or chewable plants.
This is spice bush. This time of year is my favorite time to eat the leaves because they're tender and more mild. When they get bigger, they'll be like stronger in flavor, and I use it more like a seasoning.
Have you ever thought of eating hosta or hemlock? Me neither, until today.
It is an evergreen, and I'm gonna let y'all nibble on it in just a moment. There is a plant called poison hemlock. This is not poison hemlock.
I'm dead.
Don't worry, I'm not feeding you poison hemlock. The one with the teeth on the bottom, that one is called lilac tooth polypore. I know that's just very easy to remember. And then the one that's smooth on the bottom is called parchment fungi.
Mushrooms are abundant on trees and in the ground, but be careful.
We're used to going to the grocery store to buy our food, or maybe you have a garden in your backyard and you can grow your own food. But many times all around us, growing in the wild, there are plants that are edible and also nutritious. You just have to know exactly what you're eating.
Practice trying to like identify it before I actually eat it. Yeah, I would ask a human. A guide with 2 legs is the best kind. So books are great. Internet can, give you clues and be helpful to an extent, but don't rely on those things for eating them.
Once our work is finished, it's time for the chef to take over.
The spice bush, onion grass, fairy potatoes, and dandelions. Decided to come up with a curry.
It's not the mozzarella wrapped in prosciutto or the elk tenderloin that tops the menu here, so that's where extra creativity and know-how come into play.
Lots of garlic, lots of shallots, onions. There's a bunch of staples to use, but then you try everything. When something comes in, when somebody brings something in from the tour, we have to try it and then see what's going to work with it.
Springtime is a fun time to venture outdoors, and the next time you're on a hike through one of our forests, keep an eye out for culinary options that could help you branch out from your normal food fare.
All right, well, food foraging tours, Taylor, from No Taste Like Home are available year-round, so the findings are always different, right? You can book a walk at WSPA.com. Now, tomorrow night at 11, meteorologist Grant Roberts is talking pollen and when allergy sufferers can see some relief.
Chrissy, I would definitely need to take a tour before I forage. I don't think I could tell the difference between basil and poison ivy. I mean, seriously.
Same here. But it was really a fun tour to take. I mean, Kristen was super. She just had a great sense of humor and just a lot of knowledge, too, so it was a lot of fun.
And there's so many things we can eat in our forest. I learned that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is. And, of course, everything's going to be growing with this rain that we have moving in.